Class 11 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COSAM Manipur. Unit 6 Statistics and Probability. Topic Statistics. Subtopic Measure of Dispersion, Mean Deviation. Exercise 15.1. Measures of Dispersion. Introduction. A measure of central tendency gives us a rough idea where data points are centered. But in order to make better interpretation from the data, we should also have an idea how the data are scattered around a measure of central tendency. Consider the marks obtained by two students in three subjects as follows. Student A 48, 50, 52. Student B gets 49, 50, 51. Clearly the mean and median are 50 each. The marks obtained by A are scattered or more spread about the measure of central tendency, mean and median, whereas those of the student B are close to each other and are clustering around the measure of central tendency. Thus, the measure of central tendency does not sufficient to give complete information about a given data. Variability is another factor, which is a single number to describe it. This single number is called a measure of dispersion. Measures of dispersion. The degree to which numerical data tends to spread about an average value is called dispersion of the data. The three measures of dispersion are range, mean deviation, standard deviation. Range. What is range? The range is the difference between the highest and the lowest values of the variable. Thus, the range of a series equal to maximum value minus minimum value. That is highest value minus least value, lowest value. Mean deviation. Mean deviation is defined as the arithmetic mean of the absolute deviations of all the observations taken about any central value, that is mean or median. Mean deviation is defined as the arithmetic mean of the absolute deviations of all the observations taken about any central value, mean or median. Central value can take any number except this. Note: the sum of the deviations of a set of values from their mean is always zero. Calculation of mean deviation. For discrete series, mean deviation from an arbitrary number a is 1 by n into summation of modulus of xi minus a. For discrete frequency distribution, mean deviation from a is equal to 1 by n summation of fi absolute value of xi minus a, where n is summation of fi. 3. For continuous frequency distribution, calculate mean value for each class and use step 2 above. Exercise 15.1. Question number 1. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the data for 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. We have to find out, firstly find out its mean, and from which we have to find out mean deviation. The mean of the data is denoted by x bar, which is 1 by n times of sum of all observations. That is 1 by n into it, that is 10, which is the mean of the data. Mean deviation about from mean is denoted by this, which is equal to 1 by n summation of absolute value of xi minus x bar, whose x bar is mean is denoted by replaced by 10. And we get this value. How? x1 is 4, 4 minus 10 is minus 6, whose absolute value is 6. 7 minus 10 is minus 3, whose absolute value is 3. 8 minus 10 is 2, minus 2, whose absolute value is 2. 9 minus 10 is minus 1, whose absolute value is 1. 10 minus 10 is 0, whose absolute value is 0. 12 minus 10 is plus 2, whose absolute value is 2. 13 minus 10 is 3, whose absolute value is 3. 17 minus 10 is 7, whose absolute value is 7. Sum of this number we get 24, and dividing by I we get 3, which is the mean deviation from mean. Question number 2. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the data 38, 70, 48, 70, 42. 40, 42, 55, 63, 46, 54, 44. The mean of the data, that is x bar, equal to 1 by 10. How many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore 1 by n, 1 by 10 we get this. Sum of all observations we get this, from which we get whose value is 500. Divide by 10 we get 50. 50 is the mean. Mean deviation from mean is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 summation of x modulo absolute value of xi minus x bar is 50, and whose difference is 38 minus 50 is minus 12, whose absolute value is 12. 70 minus 50 is 20, whose absolute value is 20, so on. We get these numbers. Sum up we get IT4. Divided by 10 we get I.4. This is the mean deviation about the mean of the data. For question number 3, find the mean deviation about the median for the data. For finding median, we have to arrange the observations in ascending order. Arranging the data in ascending order, we get the lowest one is 10, next one is 11, next one is again 11, next 12, 13, so on. These numbers are arranged in ascending order. Therefore, median is what? How many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 observations. Therefore, these two, they have two medians. Therefore, median is mean of 6th and 7th observations. 6th and 7th are the median terms of this sequence. Therefore, mean of the 6th and 7th observation is the median. 6th observation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is 13, 7th item observation is also 14, 13 plus 14, whose mean is due. Their sum divided by 2 gives 13.5. Therefore, MD from M, that is mean deviation from median, is 1 by n summation of absolute value of xi minus m. M is replaced by 13.5, and we get 1 by 12 times of 10 minus 13.5 minus 3.5, whose absolute value is 3.5. Again, 11 minus 13.5 is minus 2.5, whose absolute value is 2.5. Which is repeated 2 times, we have to multiply 2. And similarly, others are performed, we get this, and whose value is this, and which get this. 28 divided by 12 gives, we get 2.33. 4. Find the mean deviation about the median for the data. Arranging the data in ascending order, we get this. 36 the lowest, 72 is the greatest. Others are arranged in ascending order. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 observations. Therefore, 2 median terms. Whose mean, their mean is the median. Median is 5th and 6th items. 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th is 46. 6 is 49. Their sum is 95. Divided by 2, we get 47.5. Therefore, mean deviation from median is denoted by m full stop, d full stop, m within bracket, which is 1 by 10 summation of absolute value of xi minus m, whose value is 47.5. 30, we get 36 minus 47.5, we get this. Assume absolute value of 42 minus 47.5. Similarly, others are done. And evaluate, we get these numbers. Sum up, we get this. 1 by 10 into of 70 is 7, which is the required mean deviation from median. 5. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the data, which is group frequency distribution. Calculation of mean deviation from mean. Making table xi column, fi column, fi xi for finding mean, and taking out absolute value of xi minus, whose mean is 14, into fi into absolute value of xi minus 14, we get whose mean is what? Fi x is 351 by whose sum is 25. divide, we get 14, and put this value in this, we get this, and perform the summation of this only lastly, and therefore mean deviation from mean is 1 by 25 into 150, that is 6.32. Question number 6. Mean deviation about the mean for data, which is also similar to question number 5 above, but we have solved here. We make column of xi, column of fi, column of fi xi, column of di means absolute value of xi minus mean of this data 50, and for this fi di data. For therefore mean of the 1 by n, 1 by it into summation of fi xi, this which gives 50, and therefore we put 50 here. Mean deviation from mean is 1 by it into summation of fi di, that is this, we get 16. 7. Find the mean deviation about the median for the data. We have to find out mean deviation from median. Calculation of mean deviation from median is denoted by this. Make this column xi, fi, cumulative frequency for finding median. After this, if we make these 3 columns, after in the time we have to find out median. Now n is 26, whose half is 13. The 13 item is this, that is 7. The 13 item is 7. Therefore mean deviation from median is 1 by 26. We have to put this 7 here and here. We have to find out fi of this, and sum up, we get IT4. 1 by 26 of IT4 is 3.23, which is the required mean deviation from median. Find the mean deviation about the median for the data, which is also similar to above. Make this column xi column, fi column, cumulative frequency column for finding median, and make this column from where this 30 comes. 30 is the median of the data, and we get this, similar to above question number 7. 9. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the data, which is a continuous frequency distribution. Therefore we have to find out its mid value to get xi. Calculation of mean deviation from mean is, this is class, this mid value is denoted by xi, this is fi is given. We have to introduce new variable ui is xi minus, which may be yi or ui. Small xi minus, assume mean is, assume from xi you have to take one number, either this or this. Generally we have to take in the median this, and 10 is taken. 10 is what? 10 is taking any number which is called scale, and find out this value, corresponding value, and find fi ui di is xi minus which is the mean 358. It must be 5. It must be 5. Make this column and find sum of this. Therefore mean deviation from mean is 1 by 50 into this value is 157.92. 10. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the data. Height in centimeter, number of boys. This is also a continuous frequency distribution. Therefore calculation of mean deviation from mean is make first column, and which is find out xi mid value is sum of these 2 divided by 2, we get this. Sum of these 2 numbers divided by 2, we get this. Similarly others, and fi is given. Find fi xi, and after this you have to find out here n is 100. Therefore mean is 1 by 100 into summation of fi xi is 125.3. After knowing this value, put this here, and fi di, find out, also find their sum. Mean deviation from median, mean is 1 by 100 into this value is 11.288. Question number 11. Find the mean deviation about the median for the given data. 0, 10 marks. Number of girls 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60. This is a continuous frequency distribution. Therefore, calculation of mean deviation from M marks which is called class, which is mid value, which is frequency. Find out cumulative frequency to find median. Now n by 2 is sum. Find is sum is 50. N by 2 is 25. Therefore, 25 include this. 2030 is the median class. 2030 is the median class. Therefore, M median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus c by f into is L is lower limit of median class, that is 20. N by 2 is already found to be 25, and c is cumulative frequency just before median class, that is 14. What is f? F is the frequency of the median class, that is 14. What is is? Is white of the median class, that is 10. Find out, we get 27.8. Put this value in this, and lastly find out FID and also find their sum, we get this. Therefore, mean deviation from median is 1 by 50 into summation. This value we get 10.3432. Question number 12. Calculate the mean deviation about the median age for the age distribution of 100 persons given below. Age in years 16 to 20, 21 to 25. This is a frequency distribution, but this is discontinuous frequency distribution. We make it to continuous frequency distribution, as well as we have to find out median. For median, we have to make cumulative frequency column. Then which is we make continuous frequency. For this we have to have 15.5, 20.5, so on. Continuous, this equal to this, this equal to this, this equal to this, which is called continuous frequency distribution. And if frequencies are corresponding frequencies are given, find their sum and find out its mid value. That is sum of these two divided by 2 get this. Sum of these two number divided by 2 gives this. Similarly others. And find out cumulative frequency to get for finding median. Then now n is 100, n by 2 is 50. 50 include in which number? 50 is included this number. Therefore 35.5, 40.5 is median class. Therefore median is using this formula. We get respective values. Find out 30i. Therefore mean deviation from median is also denoted by this, which is 1 by 100 into 735. This is 7.35. Thank you for watching video.